Welcome from the Project D battle. The Chainsaw Man. Please select your hero, Team Joshua.
I'm sorry about your brother, but they killed him. So go get revenge for your brother.
Revenge.
Like, where am I? They told me the party was over here, but this is like the middle of nowhere.
Like, what is that?
You're kind of a show-off, huh?
Mom, Jito stole my shoes again.
So get them back.
You come near me, I'm gonna bite you.
Looks like you lost your new shoes.
It's okay, Billy. Maybe for Christmas you can ask Santa for new shoes.
Why not?
Like, please, don't hurt me.
I take your face.
My face?
Hey, Dad, look what I got.
Oh,
What a big chin baby.
Will you get rid of that thing? It reminds me of that freak with the chainsaw.
Well, I don't care. I'm gonna keep it forever.
Honey, let him keep his baby chainsaw.
Damn.
See, I told you I'm strong.
Yeah, you're strong, but your brain is still weak.
Breaking news! There are reports of a freak with a chainsaw massacring people on 123 Later Street. Happy Saturday!
Uh-oh, the freak with the chainsaw is back.
But I thought your buddy Luke killed him.
Yeah, Timmy, Luke killed him. But how is he still alive? Wait, I thought we already killed him.
Luke did destroy him. So how is he back?
hey, you get out of my neighborhood, or you're gonna be sorry. Revenge.
What the hell?
じゃない。まさか。
He's coming to the house.
Hell no. We need to wait.
Will you sit still?
Sir,
And the sun is turning red in the valley of the living and the canyon of the dead.
why do bad things happen to us all the time?
Will you quit complaining and get ready to fight that freak?
I'm not fighting anything with a chainsaw. I'd like to keep my arms and legs.
I told you your daddy was a scaredy cat.
You know, I'm really getting tired of your mouth.
Then come over here and do something about it.
Sorry to interrupt, but that freak with the chainsaw is outside our house? We know that, Sherlock Holmes. I'll be right back.
We're all gonna die.
You look ugly.
Where's Mom?
Hey yo, this guy looked like he worked for the government.
You killed brother.
Your brother? You're that other freak's brother?
Revenge.
I am the one and only killer!
It's Ghostface!
What's your favorite scary
Missed me.
He's laughing at the picture I drew of you, Dad.
Oh, you wanna laugh at my face? Well, I'm sure you look ugly under that mask, too. I mean, I'm sure you're very handsome under that mask.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I found the ghosty face.
Alright, take him out, rookie.
Roger that.
Time for me to run.
Oh!
Oh man, you see what you did? You made Ghostface run off.
Oh no, Officer Bubba's gonna be mad at me. That cop is a bozo.
He's getting up.
No, no!
Your makeup is bad. Time to go to sleep.
Crap. Yep. I think he's finished.
Is Ro crying?
Okay, who was that?
いいや藤原、これはチームリーダーとしての命令だ。
閣下したら負けたぞ。
分かってるよ。俺はこうしてスタートラインにつけたことが嬉しくてさ。 その気持ちに比べたらあんな安っぽい挑発なんて気にもなら。
Remember that other freak with the chainsaw? Yeah, Luke killed him. That other freak is his brother. His brother? Well, looks like we ran him off, so everything's okay. Yeah, everything's okay.
Your dad is such a wuss.
He left his chainsaw. I'm gonna hold on to it just in case he comes back.
Sorry, Mama.
You failed me. And you failed your brother. Now you're gonna go back and finish them off. Or don't come back home.
I get revenge.
Yes, revenge. That's exactly what you will do.
Revenge.
Tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar. Sky is turning gray, and the sun is turning red. In the valley of the living and the canyon of the dead.
Drop the beat, lose control. The baseline take it so. We don't stop, let it ride. Leave the waking world behind. Make it sweat, make it move. Get locked inside the groove. Make it sweat, make it move. Get locked inside the groove. Make it sweat, make it move. What do we make dreams for? When you got them dreams for? What do we need steam for?
You the hottest bitch in this place. I feel so lucky. You wanna hug me? What rhymes with hug me?
Why wasn't I invited to the party?
There's no party. And why are you dressed like that?
Oh, I just broke out of prison.
So if you broke out of prison, why would you come to our house?
Because this is my second home, Jumbo Lips. What's with the chainsaw?
Oh, remember that guy with the mask and that chainsaw from like a month ago?
Yeah, your little android boyfriend Luke sliced his head clean off.
Yeah, well his brother came today to get revenge, and my mom ran him off, but he dropped his chainsaw, so I'm keeping it.
His brother, huh? You think he's single? What's going on out there?
Uh-oh, I think Freakazoid is back. No, why is he coming back? Ow! Excuse me, sir. I don't appreciate you swinging an axe around here. Oh, my chilies. Marvin, your dad left to get the milk.
He saw me!
Revenge.
He's coming towards the house.
Who cares, Jumbo Lips? Let him come. I'll talk to him.
I don't think he's gonna want to talk to you.
Do you know who I am? Rat!
The King of Beasts?
Exactly.
Call Mikey.
He's not here.
Oh, brother.
I hear you're the one causing trouble around here. Well, guess what, Apple Lips? I'm the only one that can cause trouble.
I should text Lucy.
You son of a bushka!
Dang, bruh. You popped him good.
That was a close one.
Tim is in trouble? Is he alive?
Nice headshot.
Well, that's that. You son of a bushka!
Whoa!
Is this guy a baseball player?
Home run!
What you looking at me for?
Will you quit whining and do something?
Now, hold on a minute.
Oh, snap!
So you came back to play.
Get over here!
ま、こんなことが起こるから峠は面白い。久々に俺が本気で熱くなれるターゲットに出会えたような気がする。来週予定していた遠征は中止だ。まずアキナで完全勝利するまでその先はない。あの86は俺がやる。
I'll take care of this.
Oh, snap! That kid got some crazy powers.
Is that a talking rat?
Long story. Well, now you know how it feels. Let's go for the other hand, huh?
Oh, have mercy.
They look like chicken wings.
No, 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 no!
Who was that? A weirdo? But at least he left.
And we don't have to worry about him coming back Because he doesn't have any hands to hold a chainsaw or an axe.
Quit dancing!
Timmy, what is that you're holding? It's Debbie's foot. I wonder if she's okay. Well, I did see her outside, laying in the grass.
What's up? So you're a robot, huh?
Yeah. And you're a talking rat.
Oh. Billy, take those two hands and put them in a trash bag and take them to your room.
I don't want those things in my room.
Just
Do it!
So your mother tells me the freak came back, but everything's good now.
Yeah, everything's good. Because Lucy came to help.
Yeah, good thing you were hiding in the bathroom the whole time, Big Chin.
I wasn't hiding. I had stomach problems.
Is that my foot, you son of a babushka?
Here you go.
Hey, baby Trevor, you think you can stitch my foot back on? I can't go to the hospital looking like this.
Sorry, Mama.
You failed to get revenge for your brother. So looks like you're gonna have to join him.
No, Mama. I get revenge.
Seated scar.
You have no hands!
Sky's turning gray, and the sun is turning red. In the valley of the living and the canyon of the dead.